Hi dear students, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we'll solve a case study question from probability based on independent events for class 12. First I'll go for some concepts, then I'll solve a case study question. So what are independent events in probability? Independent events are those events which occurrence of one event does not depend on the other. For example, two students are solving a problem. So one solving the problem does not depend on the other. So if A and B are called independent events, if occurrence of one event does not depend on occurrence of other. So that time P, A and B both is your probability of event A, probability of event B. For independent event, this is the condition, and if this is true, then A and B are independent. Similarly, non-occurrence of them, B is not occurring, A is not occurring, they are also independent. So we write P not A multiplies P not B. In the same way, suppose only A is occurring, B is not occurring, that means this is product of probability of A multiplies of probability of not B. Then B is occurring, but A is not occurring, that is PB multiplies P not A. And commonly we use this concept when two students are appearing a test, appearing in JEE, or they are solving a problem. Same thing can be applied for when there will be three students or three events. So that time all three will occur, means A as well as B as well as C is equal to PA into PP into PC. None of them will occur, that will be not A, not B, and not C. This is equal to P not A multiplies P not B multiplies P not C. So while solving the problem, I'll write some more concepts. So try to understand it. Going for the question. This is a case study question. It has 5 parts and we have to appear 4 parts. A coach is training 3 players. He observes that the player A can hit a target 4 times in 5 shots. Player B can hit 3 times in 4 shots. And player C can hit 2 times in 3 shots. From the situation, answer the following questions. First is, let the target is hit by A, B, the target is hit by B and C, the target is hit by A and C, then probability that A, B and C will hit, both will, all the 3 will hit. What is the probability? 4 by 5, 3 over 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. Second is referring to part 1, what is the probability that B, C will hit and A will lose. 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 7 by 10, 4 by 10. 3 is with reference to the event mentioned in the problem. What is the probability that any two of A, B, C will hit? It is 11, 1 by 30, 11 by 30, 17 by 30, 13 by 30. What is the probability that none of them will hit the target? 1 by 30, 1 by 60, 1 by 15, 2 by 15. And last part is, what is the probability that at least one of them, A, B, C, will hit the target? 59 by 60, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 60. So we'll go the question one by one. So first is there are three players. There are three players. A is hitting 4 times in 5 sets. That means probability of hitting the target is 4 upon 5. Probability of B is your 3 times in 4 shots. That means 3 by 4. And probability of C is 2 by 3. What is the probability that A and B, C all will hit? So all will hit means probability of A as well as B as well as C. And they are doing independently. So all these are independent events. So I'll write PA, product PB, product PC. Just you will multiply here. So 4 by 5, multiplication 3 by 4, multiplication 2 by 3. This cancel, 3 cancel. So answer is 2 by 5. Where is 2 by 5? C is answer. All will hit. All will hit means product of all of them. So part 1 we have done. And let me write probability of A. It will be your second question 4 by 5. PB is equal to 3 by 4. And probability of C is 2 by 3. What is the probability that B, C will hit, A will lose? That means probability of B will hit, C will also hit, but A will lose. That means A will not hit the target. So this is the syntax of our concept. B as well as C will do, A will not hit. So they are independent. So I'll write PB into PC into P not A. So with P not A, I'll go for 1 minus PA. P not A is equal to complement of PA. So 1 minus 4 by 5, that will be 1 by 5. So PB is equal to 3 by 4. PC is equal to P of C is equal to 1 by 3. And P of not A is 1 by 5. So we multiply 3 cancel. And 2, so it will be 1 upon 10. So C is 1 by 10, A is answer. Next, this is 2 by 2 and 1 by 2. Coming to third part. With reference to the event mentioned in 1, what is the probability that any two of A, B, C will hit? Any two will hit. Any two means it may be AB, it may be BC, it may be AC. And when AB is hitting, C is not hitting. When BCs are hitting, A is not hitting. When AC are hitting, B is not hitting. So PA was how much? PA was 4 by 5. So P not A, 1 minus 4 by 5. That will be 1 by 5. Coming to PP, PP was 3 by 4. So P not B is 1 minus 3 by 4. That will be 1 by 4. Then coming to PC, PC was 2 by 3. So P naught C is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3, that will be 1 by 3. Now coming to third part, P A doing, B doing, but C is not doing. First case, it may happen. Or means plus. What will happen? A will have do, C will do, but B will not do. Or B will do, C will hit, but A will not hit. So they are independent. So I'll just multiply PA multiplies PB multiplies P of not C. I'll multiply PA, I'll multiply PC, I'll multiply P of not B. I'll multiply P of B, I'll multiply P of C, I'll multiply P of not A. So PA is equal to 4 by 5, PB is equal to 3 by 4, and P not C is I'll multiply 1 by 3. Next, the second part, P of A is 4 by 5, P of C is equal to 2 by 3, P not B is equal to 1 by 4. Then P of B is 1 by 4, P of C is 2 by 3, P of not A is 1 by 5. So all the possibility you have to now simplify. This will be 1 by 5, 4 cancelled. This will be 2 by 15. Next is 1 by 30. So LCM is 30. 6 plus 4 plus 1. 11 upon 30. What is the answer? 1 by 30 no. 11 by 30. P is answer. Then coming to next part. So first part, the answer was 2 by 5, 1 by 10, 11 by 30. Coming to fourth part. What is the probability that none of them hit the target? None of them. That means P not A, not B, not C. And intersection. So this will be P not A multiplies P not B multiplies P not C. So P not A was 1 by 5, P not B was 1 by 4, P not A is 1 by 3. So it will be 1 by 60. So 1 by 60 means B is answer. Now coming to last part. What is the probability that at least one of them will hit the target? So this is a very important concept and very common question. At least one. Probability of at least one is success or one hits. That means this will be, that will be what? It may be one is doing, maybe two are doing, maybe three are doing. So instead of counting all this, we'll write probability of they are not doing, not hitting by anybody. Its complement. So at least one hits means 1 minus none of them hit. 1 minus probability of none of them hit. None of them hit we have already calculated in question of part 4. So what I am doing again, so P not A, P not B, P not C. So that was how much? 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 4, into 1 by 3. That was 1 by 60. So 1 minus 1 by 60, the answer is 59 upon 60. So where is the answer? A is answer. So first is the probability of ABC all will hit. So it was PA into PB into PC. So this will be 1 by 4 by 5 multiplies 3 by 4 multiplies 2 by 3. So it was 2 by 5. Then we calculated this part. What was it? C. Let me see. Check the answer. Answer was A. 1 by 10. Then it was 11 by 30. Then it was 1 by 60. Then now it is 59 by 60. I hope you have understood. You can practice another similar question. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel.